Hello guys, my name is Renuka. I have completed my Master in Computer Applications from Jyotinivas College, Koramangala, Bangalore. I have joined Basavanagudi branch of QSPIDERS in the month of February. Here I have undergone the training for the testing. In testing, I have learned manual, Java, SQL, aptitude, API, and automation related courses I have undergone. And all the trainers who have taken this course for me, I thankful them. Like for Java, Akash sir has taken, and for manual, Suhas sir, and for aptitude, Hazel sir, and for SQL, Rohan sir, and for API, Santosh sir, and for automation, Sandeep sir. All the trainers were very good in this subject, and they prepared us very well to attend all of our interviews, through which I could attend this interview, and I have joined. It has a validation